Market participants are waiting for a bulk of information from the United States as well as Jerome Powell's speech. Yesterday, the ECB announced its decision to begin the tightening of its monetary policy. That's why today's speech of the Fed's chairman is of vital importance. In fact, investors are focused on only one issue. They want to find out when the Fed is planning to stabilize its monetary policy and increase the key interest rate. If Jerome Powell's speech disappoints investors, the US dollar is likely to continue falling even more quickly. However, if the regulator announces its intention to raise the key rate in the near future, the greenback will show a rise. Before the speech, the United States is expected to disclose the second estimate of GDP for the second quarter. Economists suppose that the data may encourage investors, thus boosting the US dollar. The initial report revealed a drop of 32.9% compared to a decline of 5% in the previous quarter. The second estimate may show a smaller slump of 32.5%. Of course, the difference is insignificant, but still the decline could be smaller than expected. Investors have already priced in the initial data. That's why they will have to adjust their positions if the optimistic forecast comes true. The US dollar can also be supported by the unemployment claims data. However, the number of the continuous claims may jump. The first-time claims are expected to slide by 66,000. However, an increase in the number of the continuous claims points to a slower than expected recovery of the labor market. However, at the moment, it's more important that the recovery is in progress. Nevertheless, amid the macroeconomic data, the US dollar may show only a short-lived ones, as its further movement strongly depends on Jerome Powell's speech. For the fourth day in a row, the euro-dollar pair has been trading around the levels of 1.1784 and 1850. That's a part of the range between 1.1700, 1810 and 1910. Such a movement allows speculators to accumulate trading volume that may lead to a surge in market activity. At the moment, a movement along 1.1810, that is the middle level of the range, is considered as the main direction. On the chart, we can see that the pair is fluctuating within the narrow range. Analysts suppose that amid today's stream of information, the price may break the limits and a wave of activity may cover the market. Thus, buy deals could be opened above 1.1850 with a targeted level at 1.1900. Sell deals could be initiated below 1.1770 and 1780 with a target at 1.1755, 1700. Since the beginning of this trading week, the pound-dollar pair has been gaining in value to reach the local highs locked on August 19 and 21st. If the price consolidates above 1.3225, it may approach the levels of 1.3250 and 3265. According to the alternative scenario, the pound-dollar pair may slow down between the levels of 1.3190 and 3222 that will act as a ground for the future correction. That's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast on latest events with us. See you in a couple of hours on our channel with a new video.